everyone. In this lab, it contains two parts. The first part is how to use GitHub IO, and the second part is to teach you guys how to use Eclipse to write all your Java code. In this class, you need to create a repository in GitHub IO as Z534 for our class, and then submit all your assignments to the same repository. And I can take a look at the repository and grade you based on the submissions. As all of you guys are the enrolled students, you already have the GitHub IO account. So directly go to the github.io.edu page and type in your username and credentials. Click the sign in button here. You will directly go to your own page. And in order to create a new repository, you need to click this green button here and type Z534 and make it public or private, just based on your choice, and then click the repository. Then you will have this page here. And for GitHub IO, as not all of you guys has technical background, I suggest you guys to download the GitHub desktop version first and use this one to manage all your code, to push or pull your code from the repository to your local. And then click this set up in desktop button here. It will directly goes to open the GitHub desktop version, and then just choose this one, clone as Z534, and then choose the location you want to put, then click clone here, and then you will find this shows up a button here, and it also appears a folder here, and you can use this folder to manage all your code. That's how you use GitHub IO to set up a repository. After you have this folder, next step is to create a Java project. And first of all, you need to use this page. Come to this Eclipse download page and download the related Eclipse version you want. You can choose whatever you want, and for example, I use Mac, and then I just click this button and download. It will turn to the download page. After the download and unzip the downloaded file, I will get to this button here, this folder here, and it has a Eclipse button here. Then double click it. It will open the Eclipse for you guys. Let's wait for a while. And if it's the first time for you to open it, you need to choose the workspace first. And as we already have the 534 for our class, then just use this as a default workspace to store all your Java code, and open it and click this as or you just click it, use this as a default, and then click OK. Here you will open this one. Let's wait for a while and just click this button. So first one, we have 3 big assignments here, and each assignment need to create a new project. So goes to the navigation bar and new, and find a Java project. Click it. Then it will pop up a box here. You just need to type assignment 1 and use Java ID as 1.7. Here, click finish. You'll get this one, and then you just write your code in this Java project. Here you will find in your original Z534, it comes up with this Java folder here, and that's exactly the same thing as showed up in the Eclipse. You just use this one. This contains all your code for assignment 1. And if you go back to the GitHub desktop version, you will find there are some changes here. You need to, for the summary box, you need to test like first, and then commit to master. Click it and publish it. It also takes a while to do it because it has some files. After you finish it, to make sure you synchronize it, you just click the sync button. Here, let's go back to this page. And if you refresh it, you'll find here comes the assignment 1. It's just the same thing in your local folder. And every time you finish Java coding, and don't forget to update it to your GitHub repository online so that you can track everything in this repository.